Check stop scrolling. Right now. If you think a 2.0 liter diesel has no place in a luxury SUV at triple-digit speeds, this is going to challenge you. Today we're taking the Audi Q5 our 2.0 TDI to the one place where excuses disappear. The Autobahn will decide if this engine is enough or not. This is not a casual highway cruise. This is sustained high-speed pressure with no artificial limits. No American 85 miles per hour comfort zone. Just engineering versus reality. In the United States, the moment buyers see 20 litros on a mid-size SUV, doubt creeps in. People imagine weak acceleration and stressful highway merges. They expect a luxury badge to mean effortless power, and anything smaller than a V6 feels like a compromise. The Audi Q5 weighs over 4,100 pounds with all-wheel drive hardware underneath. On paper, 170 to 190 horsepower does not sound impressive, next to a bigger diesel like the Audi Q7 TDI Quattro with 286 PS. It looks outmatched. That's exactly why this test matters. Numbers never tell the full story. This 2.0-liter turbo diesel produces nearly 300 pounds-ft of torque, and that torque arrives low, around 1,750 RPM. In real-world driving, torque is what you feel. We start the pool at 60 miles per hour. The throttle goes down, and the DSG drops a gear without hesitation. There's no drama, no screaming engine note, just steady, controlled acceleration building speed. 80 miles per hour comes quickly. 90 feels smooth and stable. By the time we hit 100 miles per hour, the SUV still feels composed. It's not explosive, but it's confident. Now it's time for full throttle. The pedal stays buried as the speed climbs past 110 miles per hour. The chassis remains planted with no wandering or instability. This is where weak engines normally expose themselves. At 120 miles per hour, wind noise increases, but the engine stays calm. Acceleration becomes more gradual as aerodynamic drag builds. This is physics, not failure. And the Q5 keeps pushing forward. Around 130 to 135 miles per hour, we approach its realistic top speed. It is not sports car fast, but it is undeniably capable for a diesel SUV. Most drivers will never even see this number. Does it feel like it's struggling to survive? No warning lights, no panic shifts, no mechanical protest. Above 110 miles per hour, the pole slows down, but it never feels unsafe. It feels like a machine operating within its design limits. The DSG transmission plays a major role here. It holds gears intelligently and avoids unnecessary hunting. Under full throttle, it keeps the engine in the torque band. That smart gearing makes the Q5 feel stronger than the horsepower rating suggests. Now, compare this to the 3.0 TDI in the larger Q7. The bigger engine delivers more effortless acceleration at high speed. It feels stronger above 100 miles per hour without working as hard. But in everyday driving, that gap shrinks dramatically. In 95% of real-world American driving, you won't live above 120 miles per hour. You'll cruise at 70 to 85 miles per hour on long highways. In that range, the 2.0 TDI feels completely at home. Smooth, efficient, and composed. Expectation says a 2.0-liter diesel is too small for a luxury SUV. Reality says it delivers solid mid-range torque and highway stability. Expectation says it will feel underpowered at speed. Reality says it confidently reaches 130 miles per hour without drama. This is not a drag racing machine. It is a long-distance cruiser built for sustained travel. It trades explosive acceleration for efficiency and range. And for many drivers, that's the smarter balance. So is the 2.0 TDI to slow for the Audi Q5. It is not fast in sports car terms, but it is not underpowered either. It matches the Q5's refined and practical character perfectly. If you demand neck-snapping launches, look elsewhere. If you want stable highway performance with strong mid-range pull, this delivers. The Autobahn did not embarrass this engine. It proved that enough is often more than you think.